Welcome back everyone, and today's video is going to be somewhat different from my others previously made video, because in this video I really want to make you to understand the power of your belief or the power of your mind. If you recognize this power of your belief, then you can heal any kind of disease. Maybe it's a very minor disease, or maybe it is very big or life threatening disease like cancer. I'm Dr Vandana Saraf, MD Ayurved in medicine and associate professor of Government Dhanvantri Ayurved College Ujjain, and also Ayurvedic dermatologist. And I have been practicing in the same field since 15 years, and I talk about the healthcare, skincare and hair care. And if you are interested in all that, make sure to subscribe, press the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon beside it, so whenever I upload the video you will always get notified. So let's get started. So in this video I'm going to show you the proof. I just want to say you, if I want to show you the sum of proof, if I show you the data, you are not very much interested to see any kind of data, and these data will not create any emotional impact on your mind and body. So they will not create very deep impact. When I say the proof in a story form, then everybody has interest to listen stories, and the best part of this storytelling is they can create emotions, and once when information combines with emotions, then it can create a deep memory inside your body and brain. So I just want to tell you story of one patient and doctor. What is this story and what you will take from this story? One thing I can say you surely, you will start believing your belief power. And this story is not fake story, this is very true story, and some documentary also made on this story, and also this story published in so many journal. One of the psychiatrists in 1957 published this case. But before starting story, I just want to give you a disclaimer for this video, because this is not the replaceable by any board certified doctor. It is just for information. It cannot be replaceable by only placebo. If you diagnosed with any kind of disease, you should or definitely go to your doctor and take medicine and start believing on that medicine, then definitely your any kind of disease will heal. There was a man called Mr. Wright, and he was suffering from advanced stage of cancer of lymph glands, or tumors of lymph glands, and they are as big as the orange balls, and so many tumors are developing there. He was admitted in hospital, and he was treated by Dr. West, W-E-S-T, and the patient condition was worst, miserable. He was just at the end of their life. This lymphoma or cancerous tumor or glands affected to him very badly. All treatment had failed and time was running out. Mr. Wright's neck, chest, abdomen, armpit, groin were filled with tumors the size of oranges. His spleen and liver was enlarged, and his chest was filled with milky like fluid every day, and he had to be drained out every day in order to make him breathe. Now you understand how miserable his condition was, but his desire to live longer life is too strong. So one day he heard about Crabiozen. This is the kind of drug which used for the cancer treatment, and he begged to his doctor, please doctor, give me that drug, so definitely I will recover from this cancer. And he had great faith inside it. So However, he is not eligible to take that kind of treatment, but anyhow his doctor Mr. Waste gave this injection to him, and after 3 days, believe or not, but it is true story, and he recovers, start walking around his bed very easily, and his cancer or tumors was melting down just like a snowball on the stove. No one could quite believe it, but no one could deny it either. Within 10 days, he was discharged from hospital with no disease at all. Days, weeks passed, he remained free of cancer. Within 2 months, he came across one of the report that the crabazole drug was worthless. Soon after, his tumors returned and he was back in hospital. Then his doctor this time did something unbelievable. He said to Mr. Wright, in this time crabazole is 2 times stronger, even the most potent crabazole to date. After few days, doctor gave injection to him. This time it is just a simple saline water in injection. Again, hope made an entrance. Mr. Wright let all his tumor go. Once again, they melted and disappeared completely. Again, he discharged from hospital with full of happiness. Unfortunately, after 2 months, the American Medical Association issued its final verdict on crabazole, confidently declaring the drug was to be useless. This time he lost his faith, his tumor reappeared. Within 2 days, he passed away. He lost his life because this time he believed that whatever the treatment he took is not going to treat his cancer. So this time he lost his whole hope and he lost his life. So by this story, definitely you should believe that if you start believing on something like it will recover me or it will heal me, definitely your brain start making some kind of chemical and they will create a healing power on your brain. So your belief power is so much powerful, just like as medicine, or I can say even more effective than any medicine. So start believing on your treatment or start believing or your own intuition so that you can heal any disease. So I hope you would like this story, and here are some more video to watch. Thank you. Goodbye for now.